Try to find the reasons for your shyness. There may be factors such as low self-confidence, oppressive family attitudes, feelings of worthlessness, or a perfectionist personality structure. Try to explore these reasons to better understand yourself. Exercise regularly. In order to control your emotions and thoughts, it is important to have complete control over your body first. By exercising regularly, you can reduce stress, increase your self-confidence, and feel better. Identify situations that trigger your shyness. What situations or activities trigger your shyness? For example, do you feel more shy when talking to the opposite sex, with strangers, or when asking people? You can identify these situations and work on them. Walk with your shoulders back. Maintaining a confident stance can increase your self-confidence. Walking with your shoulders back straight can make you feel stronger. Try to make eye contact while speaking. It may be difficult at first, but it's a skill you'll get used to over time. Making eye contact when talking to people strengthens communication and makes you feel more connected to the person you are talking to. Avoid porn and masturbation addiction. These habits can affect your self-confidence and cause shyness in social relationships. Staying away from these addictions can help boost your self-confidence. Don't focus on yourself all the time. Focus on the people around you and your environment. Observe people, interact with them, and open yourself up to the outside world. This can help reduce your shyness. Stay out of your comfort zone as much as possible. Getting out of your comfort zone allows for new experiences and meeting people. Encountering new and challenging situations can improve your self-confidence. Don't try to read people's minds. Guessing other people's thoughts or constantly wondering what they're thinking can increase shyness. Focus on expressing your needs and thoughts through open communication rather than guessing what others are thinking. Get rid of the habit of constantly thinking about the past. Negative experiences or mistakes in the past can feed shyness. Leave the past behind and focus on enjoying the present. Take advantage of the present to take positive steps towards the future. Soften your inner voice. Try to notice your negative inner voice. Be kind to yourself and try to develop a positive self-talk. You can create a positive mental attitude by using sentences that support and motivate yourself. Stay away from shy people like you for a while. Spending time with more confident and social people can inspire you to overcome your own shyness. You can improve yourself by observing their behavior, communication style, and self-confidence. When applying these strategies, give yourself time and be patient. Remember that everyone goes through a different process and focus on taking small steps.